Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the session. I am Dr. Murugan K, Assistant Professor, Government College for Women, Kolar. In this session, I am going to cover filter commands. Filters are the set of commands that takes input from standard input stream and perform some operations on that input and write the output to the standard output stream. There are various filter commands. Here we will discuss some important filter commands, that is short command, unique command, then cut command, paste command, followed by WC command, TR command, and finally less command. Sort command. This command is used to sort a file, arranging the records in a particular order, that is either ascending order or descending order. Syntax: sort option file name. Example: sort first. It means the content of the file first, arranged in ascending order, and display the output to the terminal. Sort command includes some special options, that is -n. It sorts the content numerically. -r. It sorts the content in reverse order. -u. It prints only for unique line number of the content. Let us discuss example. Consider the file first. It contains set of data. Example 1. Sort first. This command sort the content of the file first in ascending order. So we get 10, 2, 20 and so on. It is important to note down the sort command by default sort the number based on the first byte. So we get 1, 2, 2 and so on. Example 2. Sort -r first. This command sort the content of the file first in reverse order. So we get 50, 50, 40 and so on. This command also sort the number based on the first byte. Next, example 3. Sort -n first. This command sort the content of the file first in numerical order. So we get correct data 2, 10, 20 and so on. Example 4. Sort -u -n first. This command sort the content of the file first numerically with unique values. So we get 2, 10, 20 and so on. This command will source only unique values. Let us discuss this command on the terminal. Consider the file first that already created. Let's see the content of the file first. Cat first. It contains set of numbers 2, 50, 50 and so on. To sort the file first, use the command sort first. We get 10, 2, 20 and so on. It is important to note that the sort command sort the number based on the first byte. So we get 1, 2, 20 and so on. To sort the file first in reverse order, use the command sort -r first. We get 50, 50, 40 and so on. To sort the file first in numerical order, use the command sort -n first. So we get correct order data 2, 10, 20, 20 and so on. To sort the file first with numerically and unique values, use the command sort -u for unique, -n first first, then it will display the output 2, 10, 20 and so on. We get only unique values with ascending order. Next, unique command. This command is used to filters out the repeated lines in a file. Syntax: unique option file name. Example: unique first. Unique command has some special symbols. -c, it displays how many times a line was repeated by displaying a number as a prefix with each line. -d, it prints the repeated lines. -u, it prints only unique lines. Let us see example. Consider the file first contains set of data. Example 1, unique -c first. The symbol -c identifies how many times the content is repeated in the file first. So we get 10 1 times, 20 2 times based on this input, 31 times, 41 times, 52 times. It displays unique values with how many times the data is repeated. Next, unique -d first. It displays the repeated content from the file first. We get 20, 50 because 20 and 50 is repeated the file first. It displays only repeated content or number. Next, unique -u first. This command display output only for unique number from the file first. So we get 10, 30, 40. Let us check this command on the terminal. Consider the file first. It contains set of data. To display the content of the file first, use cat command first. This is the data available in the file first. Now use the command unique -c first. It displays number of times that number is repeated in the first file. 10 1 times, 22 times and so on. Next, use the command unique -d first. It displays only repeated line, that is 20 and 50. Next, use the command unique -u first. It displays only unique values from the file first. Next, cut command. This command is used to cutting out the section from each line of files and writing the result to standard output. Syntax: cut option file name. The option -c used to cut by character position. Let us consider the file first contain set of data. Example 1, cut -c 1-2 first. This will cut the character first 2 byte 1 to 2, starting and ending first 2 bytes from the file first. So we get 10, 20, 30 because first 2 byte is here 10, 20, 30. Example 2, echo computer pipe symbol cut -c 1. C means character, so it will cut the first character of the string computer, so we get C. Example 3, echo computer pipe cut -c 1-3. This is for the range, so it will cut the first 3 characters from the string, we get COM. Example 4, echo computer pipe symbol cut -c 3, 5. It cut the third and fifth position character from the string. We get mu. Let us check this command on the terminal. Consider the file first that already created. The file first contains the data 10 colon 100, 20 colon 200, 30 colon 300. Now, if you like to cut first 2 bytes of data from the file first, use the command cut -c 1-2 first. Here C represent cut the character, the range 1 to 2 from the file first. We get the result 10, 20, 30. Let us see another example. This command cut the character in position 1 from the string computer. So we get C. Just another example. This command cut the character from the position 1 to 3. So we get COM. Let us see another example. This command cut the character position 3, 5, third position and fifth position from the string computer. So we get M and U. Next command is paste command. It is used to join files horizontally. Syntax: paste option file name. The symbol -d represent paste. The command uses the tab delimiter by default for merging the files. The option -s used to merge the files in sequential manner. If you like to merge two files horizontally, use the command paste. Let us see the example. Consider the three files. Number contains 1, 2, 3. State contains Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Capital contains Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai. Now the paste command is used to merge two or more files. So the command paste number, state, capital merge all three files in horizontal manner. So we get 1, 2, 3 from this file, and then all the state from this file, then all the capitals from this file. It combines or merges all the files. If you want to merge the file in sequential manner, use the command paste -s file names, number, state, capital. This command produces the result in sequential manner, that is, it is considering row and displaying column by column. Let us check this command on the terminal. Let us consider the file number, state and capital that already created. First check the content of the all three files. This command display the number file content, again cat state, display all the states, again cat capital, it display the all the capital. Now type the command paste number, state, capital. It combines files horizontally. So we get output combination of three files. If you like to combine the files in sequential manner, then use the command paste -s number, state, capital. It combines the files in sequential manner. So we get the result combination of three files. Next command is WC command. W stands for word count, mainly used for counting purpose. Syntax: WC option file name. Example: WC first. Here the command WC count the number of lines, number of words and number of characters from the file first. Here -l prints the number of lines present in a file, -w prints the number of words present in a file, -c prints the number of characters present in a file. Let us discuss example. Consider the file first. Contains the data Unix programming, Java programming. Now the command wc first count the number of lines, number of words, number of characters from the file first and produce the result 2, 4, 34 and file name. 2 lines, 4 words and 34 characters. The command wc-l first, it will count only number of lines present in the file first, so we get 2 lines. The command wc-w first, it will count only number of words present in the file first, so we get 4 words. The command wc-c first counts only number of characters present in the file including blank space, so we get 34. Let us check this command on the terminal. Let us consider the file first that already created. The file first contains the data Unix programming, Java programming. Now the command wc first displays number of lines, number of words and number of characters in the file first. Now the command wc-l first produce only number of lines. The command wc-w first produce only number of words. The command wc-c first produce total number of characters in the file first. Next, tr command. The tr command is used for translating characters. Syntax tr option set1 set2. Let us consider the file first. Contain the data Unix programming. Example, the command cat first pipe symbol tr set1 set2. It means all lowercase letters replaced by uppercase letter or translated by uppercase letter. So we get output Unix programming. Let us check this command on the terminal. Let us consider the file first that already created. It contains the data Unix programming. The command translate all the lowercase letter to uppercase letter, so we get Unix programming. Next, less command. The less command is used to read contents of the text file one page per time, that is one screen at a time. Syntax less file name. Example, less cs.text. This command will display the content page by page from the file cs.txt. Let us check this command on the terminal. Consider the file employee that already created. Now type less employee. It displays the content in the first page from the file employee. Press enter key. It displays the remaining content. Press Q to return to the prompt. In this session, we discussed about sort command, that is to sort the numbers ascending and descending order, unique command to find the unique values, cut command to extract the characters from the string, paste command to combine the files, wc command to count the number of lines, words, characters from the file, tr command for translating the characters, less command to display the content in page by page. I hope this session you all understand the concept. If you need more concepts about these topics, kindly go through the following reference books. Thanks for watching.